Drawing Assist, and you can access it from the Edge panel. So let's tap on this button here, and here you can see that we now have a completely new dashboard. So we have our different tabs down here, so we can select watercolor style, illustration, pop art, oil painting, 3D cartoon, and sketch. Let's go with illustration, and then at the top here it's where our art will come up. But then we have three options here. We can draw something, so let's draw something. And we'll select illustration and we'll have it generate something for us. And there you go. But the cool thing here is that now you can just change the style from here and generate another photo. It will come up with only one photo at a time, whereas before it used to come up with 3 or 4 different examples. So now we have 2 of these, and then we can change the style again and generate one more. You don't have to go back again and again to change the styles and have it create more photos. You can change the style and have it create these different styles at the same time, which is great. So there is all that, but then I want to show you the new feature which is here, which is the text. Now you can describe what is it that you wanted to create. So we can go in here and we can have it create a cabin in the mountains, and then we will select the style from here. We'll select 3D cartoon this time, and we will tap on generate, and it will come up with this photo for us, which is great. So you can see exactly what prompt I gave it and what it has come back with, and then again we can change the style from here and have it create a next photo. So there you go. Let's do pop art, and there you go. So it's coming up with all of these different styles, and you can download these from here as well. You can also convert them into stickers, which is great. So now they'll be saved into your stickers, which is fantastic. And another thing that I want to show you is that you can go in here and you can go in your history and see all the art that you have created before. So this is something that I created before, and you can exactly see the prompt that I gave it, and if I tap on it, it will open up into full view, which is great. And I love this new Drawing Assist feature on One UI 7. It is much more detailed and much more usable now. And finally, the last thing in Drawing Assist is that you can also have fun with your own photos. So if you tap on this button here, you can go in gallery and you can select any of your own photos or anyone else's photo, and then from here you can change the style and tap on generate, and it will change your photo into that style, which is fantastic. And you can access this feature from the gallery as well, but it's just easier to do it from here because it's everything in one place right here, which is great.